Make a great choice today with the 2019 Continental. The Continental is synonymous with the flagship of the Lincoln brand. Lincoln Continental delivers comfort and technology in a stylish full-size package. Packaged with technology, computer electronics are applied to nearly every facet of the driving experience. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, electronic parking brake, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.